Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a long form video after very long. बहुत तो मैं आलसी हो गई थी, मेरा मूड ही नहीं होता था long form content डालने का. I'm very bad with YouTube, but मेरे shorts तो आते ही रहते हैं वैसे भी. But anyways, we are headed to one place that I have been wanting to go since forever, and I have troubled Vidur and how, because it's a pasta place in Bombay. It's called Pomodoro, and वहाँ पर रहती है बहुत सारी waiting because the place is very small. It's only how many seater? 30 seater or so. तो वहाँ पर table मिलना is very problematic.
30-40 सीटर एंड इट्स 12 o'clock राइट नाउ. हमारा टेबल 1:30 का है. मेरी बीवी ने बोला उठ, अभी का भी उठ, हम लोग जल्दी जाएंगे कि क्या मालूम हमको पहले जगह मिल जाए तो.
Yeah, so we have rushed and we are going fast because we don't want to wait in line, and I am hungry. I have built up an appetite. मैं बहुत सारा पास्ता खाने वाली हूँ. So I'm very excited to show you how my experience at Pomodoro is. Let's see if it's worth the hype. And let's go to Pomodoro. Finally here at Pomodoro, and मेरे को my excitement knows no bounds. I am through and through a pasta girl. So this is what the place looks like. Let me take you guys in. बहुत ज़्यादा लोग बैठे हैं तो मैं पूरा अंदर ambience दिखाऊंगी नहीं, because a lot of people a lot of times not comfortable with camera. So this is what the place looks like. It's a really small place, but they have an open kitchen. So let's see what we're eating. I'm not going to show you guys the menu in detail क्योंकि Zomato पे सारा मिल जाएगा, but I will show you what we are eating. I think I am so excited that I'm making up for my excitement and Vidur's excitement both together. And you can see your food being prepared over here. So let's order and let's eat. Our food is here. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not because the music here is a bit loud, but I'm going to show you what all we've ordered. Our antipasti is here and our drinks are here. Iske baad mein we'll order the pasta. So let me show you what it looks like. On our list of antipasti is the red, white and green. So they have cherry tomatoes, cheese and basil along with the house bread. Then we have an Elder Verde, which is my drink, and Piche Tiramisu Latte, jo Vidur ka drink hai. Rosa mac and cheese arancini, which I already had one of and was quite yummy. And this is Vidur's chicken parmigiana. So let's start eating. I'm so super hungry. I can't wait. Everything is smelling really good. We just finished eating the antipasti. Red, white and green was so yummy, very nice, super light, great thing to start your meal off with. You get a taste of this place. Very fresh basil, pesto in it, really nice juicy cherry tomatoes and super fresh bread. बहुत मजा आ गया वो खा के. And Rosa mac and cheese arancini, very yummy too, loved it. And now we've ordered our pasta, so let's see how those are. The mic लगा दिया है मेरे t-shirt पर so that I can eat on camera and make you guys want to come here. Basically, this pasta is so good. The whole plate is over, by the way. I've eaten it really fast. So good, so flavorful, super light, not at all heavy, but really yum. मजा आ गया. I'm a happy kid today. This is the Pomodoro, which is a simple pasta in red sauce, a fresh tomato sauce with fettuccine, and there's parmesan on it and thoda sa basil. So yummy. If you like simple pastas, then you will definitely like this one. I love a good red sauce pasta, so I am loving it. मजा आ गया, बहुत मजा आ गया. I'm so happy. Dessert is here. We have almost destroyed it, and it's actually really good. मैंने already खा लिया है. अभी विदुर का reaction और मेरा voice में सुन लो. बहुत ही tasty tiramisu है. We loved it. I think everything we had was so good. Vidur is also having the house iced cold coffee, and it's strong. If you like a good strong coffee, then you have to come here. we are back home. I'm done with my experience at Pomodoro and it was absolutely amazing. As you can see throughout the video, I'm super excited and just talking about the food. और अभी भी मैं बहुत खुश हूँ because the meal was so nice. If you guys want to have good authentic Italian food, not something that is super cheesy and super heavy and very spicy or any of that, it is a good place to go. I'm sure you guys would love it too. मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया and even Vidhu really liked whatever he tried. So definitely worth the hype. Though there is a wait time, I think I would wait in line and eat there again because I love pasta. So if you are someone who really enjoys pastas, then you must go here. And yeah, that's it from this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.